Hello. Alright, where are we at? We're gonna try out some Linux Mint. Go through the settings real quick for you. Processor 6 gigs of RAM. Yeah, I didn't change any of that. Storage, we're gonna go in here. Linux Mint. Come on. Got a 6 gig hard drive, or no, 20 gig hard drive. Not 6, I want 20 there. Audio, I didn't change anything. Network, I changed to bridged. Rest, I didn't touch. Okay. So I have not tried Linux Cinnamon. I mean, the Cinnamon desktop. I've dealt with Mint before. Linux Mint. So we're gonna see. I'm looking for a distro, and I'm going for the beginning. I went from Manjaro back to Windows. It broke on like all my systems. This system, my laptop, so I went to Windows. Somehow I updated my Windows to Windows 11 on my laptop. This one can't do it. So here we are. I installed Windows on everything because that's what the disk I had. I mean the USB stick I had. So here we are. All right. So this is the Cinnamon desktop. Okay. I don't generally run through installers or anything, especially when it's like next. We're gonna run through this. I haven't experienced Cinnamon or anything else in a long time. I've either been doing XFCE or GNOME, and I'm not liking GNOME and really don't want to deal with XFCE recently. Multimedia codecs, no, because this is a VM. And isn't most everything like now pretty much either open source or okay to use within the Linux? There may be some things, I don't know. Do I really want to create, or do I want it to create? LVM 199. Okay. I'm not. I'll do what the standard user would do. Okay, so it's partitioning it twice. I mean, doing two, root and... Okay, Denver's close enough. Can I spell this week? Sure. Change that. Oh, fuck. Good enough. Okay, so this feels like, and probably is, I know Ubuntu just changed their installer. I don't know what they're using currently. Oh, okay, whatever. Nord decided to connect, whatever. Or reconnect. sometimes they reboot servers and crap. But anyways, this feels like the installer that Ubuntu used to have. Now they have a newer one. I don't know what it is. This is always fun. What's this? That's too small for me to read from this distance. So I have a monitor over here. Monitor over here, TV right here. That does not play well with my graphics card. The TV that does play well with my graphics card. So if I'm looking this direction, it's at the monitor. I cannot move you guys from TV right in front of me over here because I don't have a long enough cord. Fix that some other time. I don't know when. I have about $200 in adapters I need to buy and crap. Because newer laptops do not come with an Ethernet card. I need like 2 of those. I can't find it. I seem to not have it just right here. No. Wait a minute. Is it? No. It's not. I have a Raspberry Pi Zero W. No Ethernet on that either. So I guess it keeps on going. But no Ethernet adapter on that. I'm not going to make this a long video. It's more of install and see what Cinnamon looks like. So I need 2 adapters for that. I just bought, regular HDMI to, what is this, micro HDMI? The other one you can't see because it's plugged in, but it converts VGA to, what is that? Why am I, brain's not functioning. VGA to, I can't think. VGA to HDMI. And that's on this, but that computer, is that's installing my free PBX server. So I only needed that to set up free PBX, or if I ever have an issue and can't get into in here, you need an actual to get into the physical device, and I will. This is still going. So I guess I'll explain a few things why I'm here. Let's see. So I got tired of using Zoiper. I found this. I'm going to try it for my soft phones. And me moving it from here to here so I can see it better. See how that works out. Is this done yet? Of course. No. I also have more than one phone number. 2 cell phone numbers, 2 VoIP numbers. So, is it even open? Why is it not open? Fine. I have 3CX running also. SSH pi, was it? Okay, let's see. So this is my 3CX SBC. Just check on that. Oops, wrong thing. Still not installed, must be doing updates. So, yes. No. Yeah, there's where I got the SBC. I don't know how long ago I did this. It was right around the time 3CX said I needed to update it. But I use 3CX on my phone. Phone. Where are we? Oh, there it is. What? Oh. Anyways, I can use 3CX on the go. I prefer it. Anyways, we can let that go in the background. Device, optical drive, unmount, force unmount, restart now. That's kicking over. We'll go ahead and check the SBC. So it's just on a Raspberry Pi. Can't remember which one. I think it's a 3B plus or something like that. If that's even correct. I know it's a 3 and like the B version, but I don't know if it's a plus or not. How are we doing here? Hello? Let's do a reset of this. Yeah, I know it's integrated. I don't care. Don't care that we're integrated. I guess I should go through everything, and when I'm not on the ones that aren't on my network, go ahead and update without you guys. Not gonna start giving IP addresses out. I already had to crap a video because I used both cell phone numbers and like logged into an account that I didn't want you guys really to see my username or password check video drivers launch manager. Okay. Let's see. Welcome to Update Manager. Okay, so this is Cinnamon. Alright. Alright, that was a weird. Can we not say we did? Let's Keep this configuration. Let's try that. Apply. Keep this configuration. That works a little bit better. Okay. Let's see. Is that terminal? Right on. Let's see. Snap dash list. Okay, so Snap's not installed. That's a good thing. Sudo apt update and 7 and sudo apt upgrade. So I'm assuming most people know some Linux, and this is updating the repositories and upgrading anything. Must have been a minute since they did a newer version of Linux Mint here. Starting to get tired. That's why it takes me a minute to think. So we're gonna reboot this one more time, kind of take a look at it for half a second, and then it's gonna be it. Like, I rather have everything up to date before I do a UNAMR or anything, because it's not up to date. It's to whatever standard that they I'm not standard, but whatever was the current kernel at the time that they were going to go with. That may not be the kernel now, so that's why we're going to go here to this update. This is, dude, like, okay, Pulse Audio's on here. I see. Bind's on here? Why is Bind on here? I mean, yeah, this computer has multiple network cards, but this OS does not know about that multiple NICs. Oh, and the fan you're hearing in the background. It is the computer's fan. Nothing I can do about it. I'm going to try again to see if I can get my OBS audio to where it's not like I have to yell at it to get it to for the audio to come through. Linux firmware, what are we at? 1.187.20. Isn't it up to like 5 or something? Current kernel? 5, or there's a couple that are being worked on, I know that. Ubuntu system adjustments. Oh. What the fuck's that? Mint mirrors. Oh, this went through Ubuntu's mirrors first, then Mint's. Interesting. So they have not changed to basically be their own. They're still running off of Ubuntu's. Okay. So no, let's just do it here. Somebody's already did it for me. Okay, this is Ubuntu. Oh, Linux Mint releases 2002. Okay, Snap Store is disabled. Cool. Huh. So what version of Ubuntu? So this is 2004, released April 23rd, 2023. Okay, so it's last year's. Is this the LTS? Yeah, okay, yeah, this is an LTS. Okay, so they're running off the last LTS from last year. Okay. Alright. That makes a lot more sense. Still take a look at it. And you know what? I'm going to pause it. This is going to take a minute. It's at 51%, and then we'll go through it. Yeah. Oh, this is done. Let's reboot that. Oh, God. OS. Clear. Clearer. So dir OS. Okay, same thing. Alright, where's the pause button? Cool, recording again. Welcome to the update manager. Just popped up while I walked away for a minute. I learned years ago, 2010, 2009, no, not 2009, it would have been like 2010 or on up to like 13. Not to trust these update managers, because 90% of the time they don't update correctly. So, reboot. You're going to be like, okay, you're not going to be like Ubuntu. Right now, I just do not feel like Ubuntu is totally right for me over something that's using Ubuntu's repositories. When Ubuntu on their latest version is trying to use snap packs. So I don't know. I mean, different version of Ubuntu basically, and no disrespect towards the people who make Linux Mint. It's a me thing. It's not a you thing. Check your video driver. Launch it. And it's going to say nothing. So work on first steps. Okay. Documentation. Cool. Help. Right on. Okay. Contribute. Well, I ain't got no problem with any of that. That's all good. Yeah, see. That's a little bug. They probably already know about it. Let's see what this is. Okay. And it's gonna find nothing because I updated it the other way. Alright, so let's see what's on this. Accessories. It's a text editor. Is it Gedit? Yeah, it looks like Gedit. Help about. Oh, so using XFCs, I think. Okay. Cool. Okay. Is that really Firefox? That doesn't look like. That doesn't look like Firefox to me. Not now. Start browsing. Settings. Not what I meant. Help. About Firefox. This doesn't look like Firefox to me, but this is throwing me off. Okay, so anyways, we're down here, Internet. Okay, LibreOffice, respectable. Okay. I'm not doing too bad. What's privacy? Oh, okay. Whatever. So was I administrative? I mean, overall, yeah. Places. Let's go to terminal. Okay. Oops. Copy. Paste. Never really did like the system monitor craft that most places put. Get HTOP. Alright, what are we running at? What are we looking like here? We are using 69 megs of the 5 gigs I gave it. Processors not again out of the. I thought I put out of the 6 processors. It's not really getting hit that hard. Okay. Not exactly. Just kind of ran through it. I guess I'm gonna have to do some more looking. Not impressed. Have a good one.